So we are doing exercise 10b, and in this video we'll be answering question 3, which says, in how many ways can 5 books be arranged in a row on a shelf? So right here I have 5 blank positions on my shelf, and I know that I have 5 books that I want to place here. We're trying to figure out how many different arrangements I can have of these 5 books. So again, let's just start by looking at our first position. How many books could I possibly put into the first position? Well, there's going to be 5 books. What about the second position? Well, I've already put a book here, so that means I have 4 books left, so that means I have 4 books to put here. What about in this position? Well, I've already used 2 books, so that means I have 3, and hopefully you can see a pattern emerging. Now I'm going to use my multiplication rule, which we saw in the previous chapter, and I'm going to times them all together. And the reason for that is because the sequence which they occur is important. So we have 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Hopefully you recognize that as 5 factorial. And hopefully you know that 5 factorial is 120. And hopefully you'd be able to figure that out, either by using a calculator, but also by doing the arithmetic here. So your answer is going to be, in how many ways can 5 books be arranged in a row on a shelf? There are 120 different arrangements of those 5 books. Hopefully this video was helpful in answering question 3 of exercise 10b.